Understanding Die a Natural Death, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make English language learning fun and easy. Today, we're exploring an interesting phrase that you might have come across in books, movies, or even in daily conversations: die a natural death. We'll break down its meaning, usage, and share some examples to help you understand how to use it confidently in your own conversations. Stay tuned. When we say someone died a natural death, we are generally referring to a death that occurs due to natural causes, such as age or illness, rather than by an accident, homicide, or suicide. This phrase emphasizes the absence of external factors in the person's death, suggesting it was a part of the natural cycle of life. Interestingly, the concept of dying a natural death has been around for centuries and carries significant weight in cultural, legal, and medical discussions. Historically, distinguishing between natural and unnatural deaths was crucial for legal records and inheritance issues. In many cultures, a natural death is also seen as a peaceful and dignified end, often surrounded by loved ones. Using die a natural death in conversation or writing should be done with sensitivity, considering its association with the end of life. It's often used in reflective, serious, or factual contexts rather than in casual or humorous ones. Here are a few examples. After a long battle with illness, he finally died a natural death surrounded by his family. The coroner's report confirmed that the cause was indeed a natural death. Many people wish for their loved ones to die a natural death, without suffering. Interestingly, die a natural death can also be used metaphorically to describe the end of non-living things, such as ideas, projects, or trends, without external interference. For example, the new policy was controversial at first, but eventually, it died a natural death due to lack of support. The fashion trend didn't last long. It died a natural death as quickly as it came into vogue. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, die a natural death, and how you can use it both literally and metaphorically. Whether you're reading literature, watching a movie, or engaging in deep conversations, recognizing and understanding phrases like this can enrich your English language skills significantly. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.